but you don't.
Soda.
Thank you. Okay. I say pop. That's what I call a soda.
Icebox, we say freezer.
Freezer.
Cooler.
You say refrigerator, fridge. Thank you. I say pocketbook. Y'all don't know what that one is?
No.
Let me put my wallet in my pocketbook.
Purse.
Purse. It's purse. You didn't know that? I say dial the phone. What do y'all say?
No.
Just call. Okay.
Hit me up.
Okay. I say hang up the phone and you say what?
Get off my lawn. I'm gonna hit you later.
Huh? Do you say end the call?
No.
End the call. But hold it.
Be like, I'm gonna hit you later, little shot.
Okay. I say tape it, and if I'm gonna tape something, I say, oh, let me tape that. But y'all say what?
Let me tape that.
No. Well, here's the deal. Watch.
Let me record this.
Right. Record. Thank you. You said it. I didn't hear you. Guys said that. I say okay. I say film it, and you say what? Record. I say tape it or film it, but both of them mean record. I say record player. You say what?
DVD. Radio.
Record player.
Real.
No.
Film.
What's it
It's a
called?
record player.
You don't have a record player. A what?
Speaker?
Okay, but I listen to music on the record player. What do y'all listen to music on?
Radio. Phones.
Huh?
Phones.
Radio. A speaker. Spotify. Apple.
That's Spotify.
Apple Music.
S-P-O-T. How you spell Spotify? I am what?
This video is sponsored by Spotify.
Okay, here we go. Y'all are having the whole conversation, but we're up here. I say britches and y'all say what? Pants. Okay, I'm glad a lot of people knew that. I say VCR and you say what?
DVD. I don't even know what that is.
You don't even know what DVD?
VCR.
You don't know what a VCR is? The big tapes that you stick in there and you play the movie. But you know, how do you watch a movie now? Through what? Through what?
Netflix.
So you're doing what?
On my Google TV.
You're streaming, right?
What?
I say answer machine. Did you leave me a message on my answer machine? Where do y'all leave a message on your what? Voicemail.
Answer machine.
Yeah, we used to have answer machines. I can look up your phone number in the phone book, but y'all look up people's number on what?
iPhone.
Contact.
No.
I don't know.
If you want to look up prices electronics. Safari, you would Google it, right?
What else you be looking on Safari?
Here, guys, up here. I numbers in your what?
Safari.
And what do you call that? Your what?
No, she said like.
And your phone is called your what?
Cellular device.
No, your contacts.
Your cellular device.
No, contacts. That's where it's actually a Rolodex. I'll bring a picture and show you.
A mixtape. All right, so look, say like you play basketball, you put all your highlights together.
We call it a mixtape. What do you call it?
Highlights.
Edit.
I don't know. That's a great question. I have to look that up. Okay, when you have a mixtape, that's a whole bunch of songs that you have saved, right? But
Like a playlist.
Yeah, that's a playlist. Very good. That's a playlist.
A highlight.
Playlist. Well, instead of going to the video store, you go. Where do you find movies at? On what?
TV.
Netflix.
What about Hulu?
Okay.
What about Disney Plus?
Okay, all of those streaming things. And I have on some tennis shoes, but y'all don't call them tennis shoes. Y'all call them what?
Yeah, sure.
Who? These are Skechers. Yeah, but what? But
shoes.
y'all don't call them sneakers.
No.
Y'all don't say tennis shoes or sneakers.
No.
We say tennis
I say shoes.
I just say shoes. But I don't
Okay.
even wear shoes. I just wear slides.
Okay, so y'all say shoes. Y'all don't say sneakers.
No.
But there's a generational difference. There's a generational gap because we talk in different languages, right?
No.
My son says I talk in what?
We all talk English.
My son says I talk in 1970s and 1980s, and he talks in the 21st century. Oh, the generational divide.
Common sense, dude.
Generational divide. If you look in the book, how many people